Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add Google search bar on home screen in Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. Okay, so this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device and I have MIUI version 11.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And after that, let me tap on this about phone. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this MIUI version. You can see I have MIUI Global 11.0 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let me go back. Let me close the settings app. Okay, so let me go to my main home screen. Okay guys, so on this home screen, I want to add Google search bar. You can see it's missing. So in order to add Google search bar on this home screen, what you need to do, you have to go to this recent apps, this button over here. Okay, and then you have to tap and hold on this recent apps button. So let me tap and hold on this. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this widgets. Okay, in this bottom menu, so you have to tap on this widgets, this button. So let me tap on this, and I have this add widget screen opened. And on this screen guys, you have to scroll down to Google section. So let me do that. Okay, let me find the Google section over here. You can see here I have this Google section, and here I have this Google search bar widget. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to tap and hold on this Google search bar widget. So let me tap and hold on this, and you can see guys, I am on my home screen, and I can place this Google search bar widget anywhere that I like. Okay, so suppose if I want this Google search bar widget at the top, then I can move it at the top over here, and I can release my finger. So let me do that, and you can see I have this Google search bar widget placed at the top. Okay, and suppose if I want this Google search bar widget at this place, then let me show you. So just tap and hold on this Google search bar widget and move it over here. Okay, and after that, release your finger. You can see it's now placed, and you can see here we have this little border over here. So in order to close this, just tap over here in the blank space. So let me do that, and you can see it's now removed. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily add Google search bar on home screen in Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.